So we need a chemical detector based on kitchen items. So here's my kitchen items. I have red cabbage. I need to cut this up and chop it up and boil it. And we're gonna make a liquid pH indicator from red cabbage. So let's cut this up. Okay, so there we have our chopped up cabbage. Now I'm going to boil it. Add water and boil it. Okay, you can see it's boiling really nice, so I'm just going to turn it off and let it sit for about 10 minutes so that it can seep. Okay, so it's been sitting there for a while. I got some good juices. I don't want all the plant matter in there, so I'm going to pour this in this using this. Okay, so I have my chemical indicator now. It's this blue red cabbage stuff that I got from boiling down the red cabbage. Now here I have three quote unknown liquids. I actually know what they are. And we're gonna put some of the indicator in the different liquids and see what happens. So I'll start with this one on this side. I'm gonna take a teaspoon, or just spoon. I'm gonna put it in there. And you'll notice right away, what color did that turn? This is a green glass, so, but you can see it's pink, okay? Now let's put it in the next one. Blue, the same color as the blue. Okay, now let's try this one. I'll put one more. That one's more greenish than this one. So this is a pH indicator. This is actually vinegar. It's an acid and it turns red. This is just plain water. It's neutral. It doesn't do anything. And this is actually water with baking soda, and it's a base, so it turns green. So by using this, you can determine something about those chemicals, a basic chemical test out of the kitchen.